Okay, so for today's math video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve an equation with variables on both sides algebraically. And let's start off with 5x, well not 5x, 5 times x, plus 7 equals 50. So that's a big problem. And we're going to solve for x. First, we're going to use the distributive property to get 5x plus 35 equals 50. Then we will subtract 35 on each side using inverse operations to get 5x equals 15. Then divide each side by 5 and we will result in x equals 3. If you notice a pattern in this, you're wrong. There is a pattern to solving these kind of equations. There's two kinds of things you're going to want to do. Combining like terms, which means if you have 8 plus 7 on one side, you're going to want to turn it into a 15. Or isolating the variable, meaning if you have a 2x on one side and a 3x on the other, you subtract 2x from each side. And you get nothing here and x here. So now let's do another problem. This one will be 5 over x plus 8 minus 7 equals 2. Now, as I said, there are two kinds of things you want to do. Combine like terms and isolate the variable. But combining like terms is actually sort of part of isolating the variable. But it's sort of more special. So before isolating the variable, let's combine like terms, meaning turning this 8 minus 7 into a 1. Now we have 5 over x equals 2. Now, before, on these kind of problems, when the variable is on the bottom of a fraction, you're going to want to try to get the fraction on one side and everything else on another. So we're going to want to isolate that expression. Now we have 5 over x equals 1. Multiply each side by x, and you will get 5 equals x. The thing is, some teachers will not accept 5 equals x, and you may have to write x equals 5. So even if your teachers never made you wrong for that, I recommend you write x equals 5 for these kind of problems. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.